Dear friends, today we shall discuss exercise 1.3 question number 1. Estimate each of the following using general rule. A 730 plus 998, B 796 minus 314, C 12904 plus 2888, D 28292 minus 21496. Make 10 more such examples of addition, subtraction and estimation of their outcome. First of all, you have to know that what is the general rule. The general rule is that if there are two digits, you have to estimate that number nearest to 10. If there are three digits, you have to estimate that number nearest to 100. If there are three digits, you have to estimate that number nearest to 100. And if there are four digits, you have to estimate that number nearest to 1000. Now we will do question number 1. A. What is A? That is solution of question number A. Now the question is 730 plus 998. Now you see there are three digits, that means you have to estimate this number nearest to 100. Now what is the rule? The rule is that suppose this number 730 is between 700 and 800. Between 700 and 800. And the middle number is 750. What is the rule? The rule is that if the number is less than 750, it will be estimated to 700, and if it is equal to 750 or greater than 750, it will be estimated to 800. Now the number is 730. 730 is less than 750, therefore this number will be estimated to 700 or round up to 700. Therefore this number will be 700. Plus 998. Now you see this number 998 is between 900 and 1000. And the middle number is 9950. Now if a number is less than 950, it will be estimated to 900, and if it is 950 or greater than 950, it will be estimated to 1000. The number is 998, that means it is greater than 950, therefore the number will be estimated to 1000. Therefore this number will be rounds up to 1000. If we add 700 with 1000, we are getting 1700. This is the answer of question number A. Now we are doing question number B. Now 796 minus 314. Now here you see 796 is between 700 and 800. Between 700 and 800. And the middle number is 750. Now if a number is greater than equal to 750 or more than 750, then it will be rounded up to 800. If it is less than 750, it will be rounded up to 700. Now this is 796, that means greater than 750, that means it will be rounded up to 800. That means this will be 800. Minus 314 means this number is between 300 and 400. Between 300 and 400. And the middle number is 350. That means if a number is equal to 350 or more than 350, it will be rounded to 400, and if it is less than 350, it will be rounded up to 300. Here it is 314, that means less than 350, therefore it will be rounded up to 300. 800 minus 300, therefore the answer will be 500. This is the solution of question number A and B. Now we will do question number C and D. Now question number C. Now see, question number C is $12,904 plus 2,888. Now you see, this number is, you have to round it off. Here you see, you have to round it off this number to 1000, right? The first number is 12,000. That means this 12,904 is between 12,000 and 13,000 and 13,000. And what is the middle number? Middle number is 12,500. Now if a number is equal to 12,500 or more than 12,500, then it will be rounded up to 13,000, and if the number is less than 12,500, then it will be reduced to or rounded up to 12,000. Here you see the number is 12,904. That means it is greater than 12,500. That means it will be rounded up to 13,000. 13,000 plus this number 2,088, 888. This is between 2,000 and 3,000, and the middle number is 2,500. Now you see, if the number is 2,500 or greater than 2,500, it will be rounded up to 3,000, and if the number is less than 2,500, it will be rounded up to 2,000. Here you see the number is 2,888. That means it is greater than 2,500. That means it will be rounded up to 3,000. Okay, that means the number will be 13,000 plus 3,000 is equal to 16,000. Right? This is the answer of question number C. Now we do question number D also. Question number D. What is the question? The question is 28,292 minus 21,496. As a general rule, you have to round it up to 1000. Therefore, this 28,292 is between 28,000 and 29,000, and the middle number is 28,500. 28,500. Right? Now the number is 20. If the number is 28,500 or more than that, then the number will be rounded up to 29,000, and if the number is less than 28,500, the number will be rounded up to 28,000. Now the number is 28,292. Therefore, the number will be rounded off to 28,000. Minus 21,496. Now here you see this number is between 21,000 and 22,000, and the middle number is 21,500. 21,500. If a number is greater than 21,500 or equal to 21,500, it will be rounded off to 22,000, and if it is if the number is less than 21,500, it will be rounded up to 21,000. Here the number is 21,496, that is less than 21,500, therefore it will be rounded up to 21,000. Now 28,000 minus 21,000, the answer will be 7,000. This is the answer of question number D. Now the next question is, make 10 more such examples of addition, subtraction and estimation of their outcome. You can make other examples such as addition or subtraction by different numbers. You can do it at home. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.